بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. My dear students and my dear viewers, today we are going to learn one of the most important lesson in Arabic grammar. Is called al-adad. In English it is called numerals, or we can say counting, or we can say cardinal numbers. The Arabic cardinal numbers is quite different with the English, because if we have to say in English we can say easily one man, two men and four men. Yeah, one person, two persons, three persons. If I have to say 5 log आए, we can easily say that 5 men came. But in Arabic we have some set of rules on which we have to create sentence, and the sentence should not go beyond that kind of rules. So today we will learn same rules. What are those rules? Inshallah we will learn sequentially, and we will see how the cardinal number changes in different formats. Before I start, I would like to tell you some terminologies. I may use sometime al-adad. What will you understand by the al-adad? If I say al-adad, you must understand I said I'm talking about counting. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if I say al-ma'dud, so you must understand that I'm talking about something has counted. For example, if I say 4 men, so over here 4 is al-adad and men is معدود, because it is actually counted. जिसको गिना जाता है उसे معدود कहते हैं. Okay, I may use some more terminologies inshallah, so you will understand that terminologies in that time. So let's start the class. Over here the first thing it is saying that the cardinal number in Arabic governed by some set of rules. As I told you that there are some rules, but in general terms we can say it as a declinable noun. What is declinable noun? You may have heard about this term. It is called mu'rab, ismun mu'rab. Ismun mu'rab means the noun which gets changes with the effects of some factors, as the ending vowels are changed. Means sometime it gets changed with the effect of some awamil according to the case ending, same it is saying. So it falls into the category of declinable nouns. It's called ismun mu'rab. See over here it says that the cardinal numbers from 1 to 10 are listed below. Fine. Over here from 1 to 10 there is a cardinal numbers where you say 1, 2, 3 in same masculine and feminine. Mean what we can say 1 in Arabic for the masculine and for 1 for feminine in Arabic language. So we will start by masculine. Inshallah we'll let you know later by feminine. Fine. So for 1 we can say masculine wahidun or ahadun. For 2 we can say ithnani, ithnani. 3 ثلاث. 4 arba'un, 4 arba'un. 5 khamsun, 6 sittun. 7 sab'un. 8 thamanun. 9 tis'un. 10 ashrun. See, these were 4 masculine, means ismun muzakkar, इसके लिए muzakkar ism के लिए. Okay, but if we have to say for muannas, means called feminine, at that time we can say that wahidatun, ithnatani, thalathatun, arba'atun, khamsatun, sittatun, sab'atun, samaniyatun, tis'atun, asharatun. Okay, these were the countings. What is the difference? You can say that you can figure out very easily. Means why I have listed for the muzakkar masculine and for muannas. Why? You may have clearly known that over here ahadun and wahidun, or say wahidatun, isnani, isnatani, salasatun and salasun. Okay, you may clearly understand by the figure. Now the rules. What are those rules about which we are talking about then? The rules for 1 and for 2 is quite similar. See, the number which is called al-adad is agreed with the ma'dud. Okay, adad and the ma'dud will be equal in 1 and 2. For example, we say that qalamun wahidun means as ma'dud will be, at that time we can bring adad means call number according to the ma'dud, something which is counted. Okay, for example, qalamun is muzakkar, which is ma'dud. That's we say wahidun. If there is a muannas ma'dud, we will bring adad as a muannas. Let's see example over here. Sa'atun wahidatun. Because the sa'atun was ma'dud and it was feminine, so that's why we brought over here wahidatun. So there is agreement between adad and ma'dud for 1 counting and 2 countings. यानी 1 और 2 के अंदर अदद और मादूद के अंदर इत्तिफाक होना जरूरी है. Same. qalamani ithnani, 2 pens. See over here, the translation is 2 pens. So qalamani ithnani. And these are from muzakkar because qalaman is muzakkar, dual means tasniya muzakkar. That's why we brought over here tasniya muzakkar ithnani. And hence sa'atani ithnatani. Sa'atani is muannas ma'dud. That's why we brought over here muannas adad. It's called ithnatani, as you have seen over. Same, it has been made you understand over here in this description. Hopefully that you're trying to understand what I'm telling you. Fine. See, it may be noted that madud, yani qalamun or sa'atan itself means 1 pen. Or we say sa'atani means 2 pens. So, wahidun and wahidatun, it has came accordingly with the singular and plural, singular and dual and muzakkar and muannas. Fine. Now the very important rule for 3 to 10. It is very important to understand what is the rule for 3 to 10s. And it is quite different from 1 to 2. At first we have understood 1 to 2 and now 3 to 10. These numbers do not agree with the madud. Very nice. What is saying? These numbers means from 3 to 2, it does not carry equivalence with madud and adad. For example, what does it mean by? It says that if madud is muzakkar, so at that time it is necessary to bring adad as a muannas. If madud is muzakkar, then you must need to bring adad as a muannas. See, over here I have given you one example that salasatu rijalin. Rijalun is a muzakkar and plural as well. So that's why we brought salasatu. Means it will be paradoxical agreement. As madud will be muzakkar, then adad will be muannas. Arba'atu rijalin, khamsatu rijalin, sitta rijalin, sab'a rijalin, thamania rijalin, tisa rijalin, ashara rijalin. Same in this case. If madud is muannas, then you need to bring adad as a muzakkar. Nisaun is a muannas. आप जानते हैं कि निसाउन मुअन्नस होती है और जमा है. Fine. So salasu nisain. Salasu muzakkar, nisain muannas. See, there is a paradoxical agreement. So that's why salasu nisain, arba'u nisain, khamsu nisain, sitta nisain, sab'a nisain, samani nisain, tisa nisain, ashara nisain. Now the rules for 11 and 12. Both part of the adad agree with the madud. See, in 11 and 12 after 10th, adad becomes from 1 to 2. 10 एक 11 हम बोलते हैं ना. So 11 के लिए एक 10 के अल्फाज लेके आएंगे और 1 के अल्फाज लेके आएंगे. So at that time it becomes 2 adad over there. So वही समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि 11 और 12 के अंदर पहला दोनों अदद जो होगा वो हमेशा मादूद के मुताबिक होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अहद ashara. See, तालिबन is a muzakkar. Fine. तालिबन is a muzakkar. That's why it is necessary to bring ahad ashara according to the taliban. Okay, and that's why ihda ashara talibatan क्या है? मुअन्नस है, इसलिए ihda ashara दोनों पार्ट को यानी both the part of the first adad will be according to the madud. See, isna ashara यानी ये 11 हो गए, मुजक्कर 11, मुअन्नस 11. अब यहाँ मुजक्कर 11 के बारे की बात कर रहे हैं. इसना ashara taliban. See, taliban is a muzakkar and isna ashara is also muzakkar because there's not sign of muannas. See over here, isnata ashara talibatan. See, talibatan is a muannas. That's why both part of the first adad will be according to ma'dud. So there is agreement. We can say that in 11 and 12 according to the ma'dud. And one more thing, it's saying that it could be accusative singular. Means accusative singular means it can be mansoob. As you're seeing that أحد عشر طالبا, you can say mansoob. طالبة mansoob. Fine. What is saying over here, you must need to understand one note, an important notification, that all the numbers from 11 to 99, from 11 to 99 are followed by singular noun in the accusative case. Was 11 से लेकर 99 तक जो भी नाउन होगा वो मंसूब और वाहिद होगा. यानी इस्ना आशरा तालिबन, ये देख रहे हैं, ये मंसूब होगा और वाहिद होगा. वही समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. याद रखिए, फ्रॉम 11 to 99. Okay, now the rule for 13 to 19. Rule for 13 to 19. ये भी important है समझने के लिए. What is saying? In these cases, the second part of the अदद agrees with the मादूद. देखिए, दूसरा पार्ट जो होता है अदद का, वो मादूद से मुसावी होना चाहिए, यानी मुताबिकत रखना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सलासत आशर तालिबन. अब यहाँ क्या कह रहे हैं? The second part से हो रही है, सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द आदत एग्रीज विद द मादूद. ये सेकेंड पार्ट है आदत का, ये इसके साथ इसकी तरह होना चाहिए, यानी कि ये मुजक्कर है तो ये भी मुजक्कर होना चाहिए. फाइन. एंड फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द आदत विल बी डिफर फ्रॉम द सेकेंड पार्ट. सो एज यू आर सेइंग सलासत अशर तालिबन, अर्बअत अशर तालिबन, सेकेंड पार्ट should be यानी इक्विवेलेंट टू द मादूद. व्हाट सेइंग? इन दिस केस द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द आदत एग्रीज विद द मादूद. Hopefully you're trying to understand. In muannas case, you can say also that talibatan is a muannas. So second part is ashara, the first part is. So the second part should be according to the madud. Okay. So salasa asharata talibatan, arba'a asharata talibatan, khamsa asharata talibatan, sitta asharata talibatan. Hence like that. See what is saying over here. The multiples of 10 is called 10, 20 will be like this. 20, 30 are called uqud. इसे उक़ूद कहते हैं. फाइन. इट विल बी मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल. ये मैस्कुलिन होगा और प्लूरल होगा, यानी कि मुज़क्कर होगा और जमा होगा. सो वी कैन से 20, 90, 40, 50. फॉर एग्जांपल على المكتبة 20 كتابا. There are 20 books on the tables. It is a nominative case. फाइन. ये नॉमिनेटिव केस फाइली हालत में है. 20. अब देखिए, एक क्या कहते हैं, आपको हालत मंसूब बताएंगे और हालत मजरूर. सो एट दैट टाइम क़रअतु 20 किताबन. ठीक है, 20 किताबन. अब ये बिकॉज इट इज इन मंसूब केस, दैट्स कॉल्ड एक्यूजिटिव केस. फाइन. आई रेड 20 बुक्स. जैसे जा रजुलन, राइतु रजुलन, मररतु बिरजुलिन. फाइन. इश्तरैतुल किताब $20. I brought the book for $20. It is in genitive case, that's called majroor. Fine. So it's enough for today, inshallah. We will also learn some more rules in next part of the adad and madud. Hopefully that you have understood everything, inshallah. So what you have to understand, that the rules for 3 to 10, 1 to 2, and 11 to 12, and like this 13 to 19. Inshallah we will understand from the 20 to 100 in next class. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice time. Have a good time. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.